Watch me turn a black sheet of paper into an abstract seascape using nothing but my fingers. No brushes, no tools, just my hands, some paint, and a moment of quiet expression. This kind of painting is playful, spontaneous, and incredibly freeing. You don't need any special skills or expensive supplies. I'm using just a few colors and a piece of paper, and that's all it takes to make something meaningful. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed, uninspired, or just want a break from your day, this is a simple way to slow down and reconnect with your creativity. It's great for any age, and you can do it anywhere, with no pressure to make it perfect. Let the colors blend under your fingers. Let your thoughts settle and just enjoy the process. Sometimes the best art is the kind that doesn't try too hard, it just happens. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to support my channel, and if you like to connect with my artwork on a deeper level, please visit my website fifiartstudio.com to explore more original paintings and see what's new in the studio. See you next time, and keep creating.